I'm going to go over just a couple things today. What I learned about myself on futures, and then some other trades I took in the market. So, what I learned about myself on futures today is I can't stomach big swings like this. So, this is when the rate hike came out, and then this is when Papa Powell started speaking. I took a stab somewhere in here. These are the 5-minute candles. I'll just leave it there. And this moved so fast. I cut it. It was a loss of $100 on it, and just avoided it the rest of the day. No more trades on this. Even though everything was starting to trend down, I just wanted to take my loss on it and not try to revenge trade or anything. So, learned I can't stomach big swings like that with the small account I have on here. So I will avoid this kind of setup, in the future, and just continue to play the easier stuff on here. But that was really the only future trade I took today. I was more focused on commons and options. So yesterday I grabbed some MULN on news. I grabbed it pre-market yesterday. That's not pre-market. So I grabbed it somewhere here yesterday. It's pre-market yesterday. Sold it pre-market today. Sold half for 10%, sold the other half for about 14%, and real glad I did because it nosedived, sold off. So I took a chance there on news it had pre-market, and it just didn't swing very well. And then Starbucks, I've been wanting to short this thing for a while with all these green candles in a row. And previous day, Monday, put in a beautiful reversal candle. I did not short it yesterday because the premiums were so high, and because it had earnings coming after close yesterday. Earnings sucked. As you see, it dropped off. My initial goal on this was to short it right at open if the second candle allowed it. And I got a little bit nervous with how everything else was not just selling off immediately. So I let that kind of back me out of my idea. I hit it here, which was realistically a safer entry on it anyway. Oh my gosh, just freaking do what I want. No. So, what? Oh my gosh. Okay, so basically, I was watching this flag forming. This is what I was looking for. And you can see here this flag started to move up, and it started to pull back. And, half of me wanted to take a stab at it right here, but the other half said this is a flag forming into nothing. I'm not going to take this. This isn't a true spot to reverse yet. So I let that one go by, and because I wanted to have it VWAP. After a sell-off like that, I want to see it come back into VWAP before I take my entry, especially being down after poor earnings. So I hit this one here, and I sold. I averaged out some on this candle at 10%. Some somewhere between these two candles for 20%, and then I sold some more for 30%. And I forgot to change my sell amount, so I sold off everything. I meant to leave, a couple runners to play with the rest of the day. But I mean, so I missed out on like 150% because I cut my runners too quick on accident. But it happens. I'm not going to sit here and complain about taking a 10, 20, and 30% winners. Uh, you know, don't want to sound like I'm being selfish or something. I'm just saying. keep that in mind. Don't cut everything if you think the moment still got room to go. I just kind of got lost up in the moment of the sell-off, catching the big, the perfect top, and I just sold everything without thinking, oh, I should change my order real quick. Those are my two better plays. I had one more trade that I carried overnight. It didn't work out. CLF? No. CALF? No. I can't remember what the other one was. Basically, I cut it this morning for a 6% loss on it. So tiny. It was a speculative position on that one anyway. So that one, even though it was 6% loss, it was only like $12 or something. That's what I got. Can't stomach futures that have huge moves, and called out some good movers today as well in Discord. But because I was so focused on my swingers from yesterday and how the market was setting up today, I really didn't have a chance to hit them. I know a couple guys hit them in our Discord and made some decent profits off of it. But anyway, that's what we got, guys. Thanks. Have a nice day.